Fans of Studio Ghibli, the famous Japanese animation studio behind Spirited Away and other beloved movies, were delighted when a new version of ChatGPT let them transform popular memes or personal photos into distinct style of Ghibli fo- founder Hayao Miyazaki. But the trend also highlighted ethical concerns about AI tools trained on copyrighted creative works and what that means for future livelihoods of artists. Miyazaki, 84 years old, known for his hand drawn approach and whimsical storytelling, has expressed skepticism about AI's role in animation. Since the release, AI images depicting Ghibli style versions of Elon Musk with US President Donald Trump and even recreation of September 11 attacks have gone viral. White House also took part by posting Ghibli style image of weeping alleged felon being handcuffed by US immigration officer before deportation. ChatGPT maker OpenAI, which is fighting copyright lawsuits over its flagship chatbot, has largely encouraged Ghiblification experiments, and its CEO Sam Altman changed his profile on X into Ghibli style portrait. The company said the new tool would take a conservative approach in the way it mimics the aesthetics of individual artists, but added it permits broader studio styles which people have used to generate and share some truly delightful and inspired original fan creations. Studio Ghibli hasn't yet commented on the trend. As users posted Ghibli style images, Miyazaki's previous comments began to resurface. When Miyazaki was shown as AI demo in 2016, he said he was utterly disgusted by the display according to documentary footage of interaction. Josh Wigzenberg, a partner at law firm, said there is a general principle at the 30,000-foot view that style is not copyrightable. But sometimes what people are actually thinking of when they say style could be more specific, discernible, discrete elements of a work of art.